In this video, we will learn how to multiply different units in Excel sheet. So here you see different units means I multiply with the kg amount with the rupees amount. Then I get the total amount in rupees. So how it's done? Suppose I enter here the 30 kg. Then I enter here the price 300 Rs rupees. Then I use here the multiply is equal to quantity multiply by price, and it show the error. I'm showing you how to remove this error. So I just remove this all detail first. Then I select the first column of quantity. Then I press the control 1 to format cell. Go to the custom, remove this general, use the 0, then space, use the double quote and enter the kg, double quote again, and click on OK. Same as in price, select the column, use the control 1 to format cell, go to the custom, remove this general, use the 0 space, double quote, write the rupees in double quote again RS, then click on OK. Same for the third option amount, just select the full column, press the control 1, go to the custom, remove this general, enter the 0 space, double quote, use the double quote, then write the RS rupees, again use the double quote and click on OK. Then I write here the first quantity 20, then price 200, and I use here formula quantity into price. That's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.